Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will study the revision of our syllabus, entrepreneurship and development. Now, entrepreneurship, concept of entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship, types of entrepreneur, nature and importance, then entrepreneurial traits, skills and entrepreneurial motivation, achievement and the personality. Now in this, these are the basic topics that we will cover today. Now come to the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is given by the words entrepreneur because the person who is starting the enterprise is called entrepreneur and the process is called as entrepreneurship. Now come to the basic topic. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entrepreneur, which means to undertake. That means to start. This refers to those who undertakes the risk of new enterprises. An enterprise is created by an entrepreneur and the process of this creation is called entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a process of an entrepreneur who is a person always in search of something new and exploits such ideas into gainful opportunities by accepting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprise. Now, because a person who starts the enterprise need to earn the money for himself as well as for a society, and for this earning he has to take some risk. Now the process of entrepreneurship contains all these topics. That means to generate wealth for the society and to take a risk for gaining this wealth for the society as well as for himself. Now, characteristics of entrepreneurship. First one, economic and dynamic activity. Entrepreneurship is an economic activity because it involves the creation and operation of enterprise with a view to creating value or wealth by ensuring optimum utilization of scarce measures. Since this value creation activity is performed continuously in the mind of certain business environment, therefore entrepreneurship is regarded as a dynamic force. Number two, related to innovation. Entrepreneurship involves a continuous search for new ideas. It completes or compels an individuals to continuously evaluate the existing modes of business operations so that more efficient and effective systems can be evolved and adopted. Entrepreneurship is a continuous effort for synergy on organizations. Synergy on the organizations are the organizations who generate wealth and prosperity for the society. Number three, profit potential. It is the likely level of return or